actually, na-amaze ako because it was such a smooth experience. Napakabilis. From the time na ni-refer ako ni Mark sa'yo, it was, I think, mid-March. And then, we met ng March 29.
Yes.
Right? That's when I reserved the unit. Tapos, that's when I logged my application, right? So, from there, after like a month lang, meron ng approval si Pag-ibig. So, thank you so much for helping me sa pag-ayos ng mga requirements. You've been very patient and very detailed. At isa pa, I like it because hindi ako nakulitan sa'yo. Hindi mo ako kinulit ng todo para lang makabenta. It's very natural. You allowed me to think through it. So, I really like how it went. It went very well. Tapos, nung ma-approve yung unit, parang 1 week or wala pang 1 week, pwede na akong mag-move in.
Yes.
So, nakakatuwa.
Mabilis naman, ma'am, yung approval.
Yes, sobrang bilis. As I've mentioned, I liked it a lot because hindi ka katulad ng iba na makulit na agent na kuha na po kayo ma'am, ganyan. So, pinakita mo lang sa akin yung benefits, yung units, tapos hinayaan mo ko na magustuhan yung units. Tapos, you were very clear with, sa pag-explain ng mga requirements. Napakatyaga mo kasi remember, sobrang busy ako that time.
Yes.
So, talagang pati yung pag-ayos sa Pag-ibig, tinulungan mo ko kasi wala talaga akong time that time. So, thank you so much. Para sa akin, extra mile mo. Hindi naman lahat ng agent siguro ay gagawa o kayang gawin yung ganon, extra mile. Kung meron man, siguro may extra fee, but sa'yo wala naman. So, thank you so much kasi nagkaroon ako ng bagong opportunity dito sa Urban Data.
Yan lang. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you sa tiwala for
Of
trusting
course.
me as your agent. And congratulations po on your new home.
Thank you din.
Thank you, ma'am.